Okay, let's try this. Here we go. This one is fixed. This one right here I can actually spin around. See what I'm saying? So I can point it anywhere. But that one, pretty much gone. A little wind comes right out of it. And it ain't for me. Well, yeah, it is. Years keeping this on this run. That comes out. So, I have replaced the one on the right hand side. This is supposedly the left. Put that over there. And I'm almost ready to install it. Right there. Yay. The project just never fucking ends. Run. Fuck it. Just get the fuck away from me as fast as possible. Shit, I'm falling apart. Just like my truck. But there you go. And thank God for that damn thing. I will have that together tonight. And we will see what the fuck is fuck. Peace.